Maharashtra MCA Common Entrance Test. Maharashtra MCA CET Syllabus. General Aptitude 25 question. Computer Concept 25 questions. General Aptitude. Algebra. Fundamental operations in algebra. Expansion, factorization, quadratic equation. Indices, logarithms, arithmetic, geometric and harmonic progression, binomial theorem, permutation and combination. Coordinate geometry, rectangular Cartesian coordinate, equation of a line, midpoint, intersection, equation of a circle. Distance formulae, pair of straight line, parabola, ellipses, and hyperbola, simple geometric transformation such as translation, rotation, scaling. Differential equations of first order and their solutions, linear differential equations with constant coefficient, homogeneous linear differential equations. Trigonometry, simple identities, trigonometric equation, properties of triangle, solution of triangle, height and distance, inverse function. Probability and statistics, basic concepts of probability theory, averages, dependent and independent events, frequency distribution and measures of dispersions. Skewness and kurtosis, random variable and distribution functions, mathematical expectations, binomial, Poisson, normal distribution, curve fitting and principle of least squares, correlation and regression. Arithmetic, ratios and proportion, problems on time and work, distance, speed, percentage. Basic set theory and functions, set, relations and mapping. Mensuration, area of triangle and quadrilaterals, area and circumference of circle, volume and surface areas of simple solids such as cubes, spheres, cylinders, and cones. Computer concepts. Computer basics, organization of a computer, central processing unit CPU, structure of instructions in CPU, input-output devices, computer memory, memory organization, backup devices. Data representation, representation of characters, integers and fractions, binary and hexadecimal representation. Binary arithmetic, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, signed arithmetic, and two-complement arithmetic, floating point representations of numbers. Normalized floating point representation, Boolean algebra, truth table, Venn diagram. Computer architecture, block structure of computer, communication between processor and input-output devices, interrupt. Computer language, assembly language and high-level language, multi-programming and time-sharing operating systems, computer programming in C. Operating systems basics, multi-programming and time-sharing operating system. Please do like, subscribe, and comment on the video.